In this video, we'll look at how to set up and check your voicemail on your iPhone. We'll look at how to initially set up the voicemail, how to change your greeting from default to a custom one, and then troubleshooting tips if you're having issues accessing your voicemail. To get to your voicemail, open the phone app. From the main screen here, tap the voicemail icon on the bottom right of the screen. If this is your first time opening your voicemail, you'll be prompted to set it up now. Tap Set Up Now and then create a password for your voicemail. Once you have it set up, you'll be here at the greeting page. You can leave the voicemail greeting set as the default message, or you can record a custom greeting by choosing Custom and then tapping Record. Record your message, and when you're finished, tap Stop. You can then preview the voicemail greeting by hitting play. When you're finished recording or selecting the default greeting, tap Save on the top right. You can always come back to the greeting page in the future if you want to record a new one, or just set it to default by selecting greeting on the top left of the main voicemail screen. Once you're set up, in the future when you get a new voicemail, it'll be found here on this page like this. You can then tap the voicemail to listen to it, call the number back, or delete the voicemail. If the voicemail is able to be transcribed, you can read the transcription here at the bottom. Now, if you're having an issue setting up your voicemail, there are a couple things that we can try to fix it. The first thing to confirm, and nowadays not as big of an issue, is that your cellular plan actually supports voicemail. To do that, just check your cellular plan to confirm. Unfortunately, I can't really walk you through that as each provider and plan is different. But let's assume that you do have access to voicemail on your plan and try a couple other things. The first thing we'll try is to go through the visual voicemail by calling in. To do this, tap the keypad icon on the bottom. Dial your phone number and make the call. You will then access your voicemail and be prompted to enter your voicemail password. If this has never been set up, you'll be walked through the steps to do it. After you're done setting up your voicemail this way, you can hang up and see if your voicemail now works. If you have set this up in the past but forgot your password, you can also reset it to try to get in. To do this, close the phone app. Next, open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and select Phone. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Change Voicemail Password. Select that and enter in your new voicemail password that you want to use. When you're finished, hit Done. Now you can head back to the phone app, call your phone number, and enter the new voicemail password that you just changed. Go through any steps that it may have you go through to set up your voicemail or listen to your voicemails through here. If those options don't help, there are two other things that you can try. The first is easier and is by turning off cellular and enabling airplane mode. By doing this, it should soft restart your network connections. To do this, from the home screen, swipe down from the top right of your screen to get to Control Center. Turn off cellular data by tapping the antenna icon. Next, tap the airplane mode icon to enable that. Give it a minute and then turn airplane mode back off and then re-enable cellular data. You can then close Control Center and then head back to the phone app and check if your voicemail is now available. Some users have said that this has worked for them, especially after iOS updates. The last thing that we can try that some users say works is reset our network settings altogether. I always try this last as it can knock you off things like your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections and require you to rejoin these networks. To do this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and then select General. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom of this screen, tap Reset. Next, tap Reset Network Settings and then enter your iPhone's passcode. On the prompt that appears, confirm by selecting Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will then restart. When it boots back up, you can then try heading back into the voicemail screen in the phone app and see if it's working now. Hopefully, you're able to set up your voicemail first without any issues, or if you are having problems, then one of the ways that we looked at will help you out. And that's how you set up, customize, check, and troubleshoot voicemail on your iPhone.